Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change app drawer to vertical or horizontal on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung One UI 7 device. By default, when you open the app drawer, you can see the vertical app drawer available on your Samsung device or a horizontal app drawer. If you want to change it, you need to use a home screen setting if available. To check it, tap and hold the blank space on home screen on your device. Tap on the setting gear icon at the bottom right. Now here you can see a list of different options for home screen settings. Check if the any app drawer setting. You can also search here like app drawer. But now here you can't see the any setting for the app drawer to move horizontal to vertical on your device. So you need to open the app drawer on your Samsung phone. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Here you can find the option sort option. Tap on it. Now here you can set custom order or alphabetical order. Now here we select the custom order option on my Samsung S25 Ultra. So now you can see set as the horizontal app drawer on my device. If you want to get back the vertical app drawer, again tap on the three dots, tap on the sorts and tap on alphabetical order. Now you can access it a vertically app drawer on your device. So it's quite easy to set app drawer to vertical or horizontal on Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung One UI 7 device. That's it. Like it, share it.